Hi and welcome in this new tutorial video in which I'm going to show you how to build this micro brick battle scale or Battlin bricks scale Panzer 4 in this camo pattern that I gave it myself. I used the colors tan, reddish brown and sand green to give this one a little special camo, and in a couple of seconds I'm going to show you how to build this one. But before I'm going to start showing how to build it, I want to give a little shout out to some of these other same scale 1 to 120 120s that's about scale that we have over here. These are all part of my collection. By now most of you might know that I really like the micro scale builds, especially for the game Micro Brick Battle, for which you can check out microbrickbattle.com to see the game rules. And I actually made some live streams and game playing videos in the past, so check them on my channel. They can be a little bit down, but you can find them. They're easily to find. But these others, the planes and look at this, that awesome World War I German tank in micro scale. Such a small tank and yet so recognizable in this scale. Awesome job by Jan Bates. Building instructions for this one are available on OmahaBricks.com, and the same goes for these. This is a set of 3 Messerschmitt BF 109s. Also designed by Jan Bates, also available on OmahaBricks.com. They come in a pack of 4 or 5, I believe. So there are more versions, but I didn't have them on hand at this moment. And this awesome beast, the Junkers, is also building instructions available at OmahaBricks.com. But the design of this one is from Ryan, also known as a Grasshopper Oh my god, I forgot his correct name. Grasshopper. Oh my god. I put the link in the description of this video when I'm going to edit this video. I probably remember his full name, otherwise I will. Ryan, forgive me for totally not. Grasshopper Squadron. That's it. Phew. Sorry Ryan for that one. Grasshopper Squadron. Ryan Short designed this awesome Junker. It's a huge plane. Just check it up from above, but in scale. Ryan always makes really sure he is as close to scale as possible with Lego bricks. But yeah, now I'm going to do this one. The basic design of this Panzer 4 is by Yitzy, I believe. No idea how to pronounce his last name, so I'm not going to even try that. He made the basic design for this one for BrickMania, and I got permission to show all the designs that are in the BrickMania books, to show them on my tutorial channel. So yeah, I give it a little bit more extra by giving it a camo scheme. I hope you liked it, and if you just want to make it in any other color, go for it. You have the basic instructions. Now for this one, I'm just going to show you in camo. Last thing I'm going to say about it before we start is, I don't think you notice anything about the brick quality of this little one, but if you look very close, you can see there are no Lego brands on this one, because I made it fully with GoBricks. And if you want to see my review video on that one, go check a previous video or link in the on top of there. Quality equal as Lego, way cheaper, but perfect. And they also have colors that Lego doesn't have. That's so awesome. I think I have said enough. It's time for you to see how it's done, and I hope you enjoy it.